It's not good. That was weird. Whatever. Well, good morning. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And we've fired up ye old Vanderhall. And we are going over to Louisville for a car show. This is the first and last time you're gonna see the Vanderhall, my Vanderhall, in this condition. This is it. So about to jump in this thing. It's a little chilly, as you can see. I've put on my heavy jacket. I am still in shorts and flip-flops, but we got heat. We got heated seats. Feels pretty good in the sun. It's a little chilly with the wind blowing. It's just like a tiny little breeze. It's a little chilly, but it should warm up a little bit by the time we get there and hang out and do all that. And then the drive home is going to be amazing. So I'm hopping the Vanderhall. I got an hour plus drive all the way over to Louisville. It is so far for me, but at least it didn't start at 7 a.m. because I don't think I would have gone if it was that early. So yeah, so we'll see you there.
Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in,
Here we go. Nice little line. David right behind me. David always takes up the rear because he drives slow, but he always like catches up to us. It never matters that he's behind us, way back there. He always seems to get where we're going. So.
I feel like calling from the crowd, but I got music popping.
Over there. He's gonna be upset that 7 Vanderhall or whatever we have showed up. Hopefully our spots got saved and didn't get given away. Jamie's talking. We'll see. I don't know. Oh, she's gotta back up. Truck right here, this little panel truck thing right there. That looks cool. Gotta go check that out. I guess we're getting some kind of weird VIP parking because car show participants are to the right. And we're going way over here to another spot. But up front, like at the front of the Hula Hut. So that's cool. Huh.
West side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I already blew up, man, I knew I would okay. Who the hell is you to tell the dude that I ain't great? Play my work, then work my plan, and now I'm on my straight. I soak up the love and I repel all of the hate. Big Sage, why they tryna play us? I make 20 racks to wrap up on the stage, I invested that right back to my estate, Dinner table, everyone gon' get a play, Started with $5 bills, shoot for dollars in the Ville. I'm in the villa, I'm counting the spiller. My mama say I gotta chill. Turn it down, record deals. Now I got a couple mil. Automated all the bills. I'm concerned about the thrills. I'm on a yacht with a big booty, 10 out of 10, little mama. I'm on a tour bus, moving around the country, counting money in pajamas. I don't deal with any drama. You gotta email my sister. That's my assistant. I'm about the business. God is my business. On the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today.
So we're having to move. We're playing like, musical cars over here, and Chad Chad has pulled up next to me. So as I'm moving forward, Chad's moving backwards. This is a really odd feeling, but pretty much only something you can do with a Vanderhaal.
West side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in now, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I already blew up, man, I knew I would okay.
Last trophy.
Look at this. Look at this. Jamie wins a trophy.
Waiting for it. He was.
He was. He was front and center.
There you go, Chad.
First place over here.
Woo! Kurt.
Yeah,
you're welcome, David.
Look at David walking.
Best of show. Okay, can I buy my trophy?
Best of show.
Let's see it, David. Let's
We gotta get a picture / video with all our winners. 3 of us won. I think I sabotaged myself by unwrapping mine, of course. But David Dixon's looks a lot like mine, and somehow he won. I think he had an inside vote, potentially.
We're gonna take a picture with you.
Yeah, in the middle, David.
You got people coming behind you. And you need to come over here anyways, because it's looking in the sun.
I gotta stare at the sun.
Or you could stare this way. Alright, ready? Oh god, I'm trying to video and do this. It's hard. Looks great, amazing, and perfect. So I go to get in my car just now, and there was a trophy from the show in my car. So I don't know how it got there. I didn't see anybody put it in here, but whatever. I guess I'm a winner. I don't know. I guess somebody didn't want their trophy and just gave it to me. Because David still has his. David has his. David, somehow I got a trophy too. I just got back to my car and they threw it in here. I was like, okay. I will. I'll do it. I'll Photoshop myself into this picture of us.
Who the hell is you to tell the dude that I ain't great? Play my work, then work my plan, and now I'm on my straight. I soak up the love and I repel all of the hate. Big Sage, huh? Why they tryna play us? I make 20 racks to wrap up on the stage, huh? I invested that right back to my estate, huh? Dinner table, everyone gon' get a play,
And just like that, we're back from another amazing day. A little chilly, but not terrible. It was actually perfect while we were there. I mean, the weather was beautiful while we were at the car show. A little chilly on the drive to and from. But Vanderhaal did great, except as I was driving along at about 80 miles an hour, I looked down, I'm like, I need to reset my fuel gauge, or my trip meter, sorry, because I had just gotten gas. So I reach down there, I hold the button. I'm holding, it's not changing. I'm like, that's weird. I wonder if the button is messed up. And then I realized I'm not doing 80 miles an hour. The speedometer says I am, but I'm not. It's like, huh. Interesting. So I slow down a little bit more, and I'm like, yep, definitely still says I'm doing 80 mile an hour. Never changed the whole drive home. Now, I was going to film that when I got here and be like, look at this. I turned it off, turned it back on, it reset. While I was doing that, while I was driving, it also didn't change the mileage ever as I was driving. It was like the gauge was just frozen in time. So I don't know if I went through some space-time continuum or something and didn't know it and the gauge malfunctioned, or if this car is now a time machine. But gauge frozen, got here, turned it off, turned it back on. It worked perfectly. So I can't really show you. I did take a picture of it before I turned it off because I thought it was interesting. I'll throw that in right here. So, yeah, that's what it did. It was a little weird. It's working now. The mileage has gone up since I drove home. The mileage has changed. It's higher than what it was in the picture. I don't know. Quirky Vanderhaal things. Anyways, again, this is the last you're going to see of this particular rendition, at least for a little while. So again, all of this is going to be something that I can switch back to, except for the wrap. So a little bit of the wrap is still on it. I just literally left on for this weekend. I'm gonna have to peel that off to change what I'm doing to modify the rest of the vehicle. So this is literally the last time you're gonna see the yellow checkerboard on this Vanderhaal. It's done. I did find it really weird that I won a trophy. The problem is they didn't vote for me. Somebody got this and was probably ungrateful that they won a class award at the show and just put it in my seat and left. I'd love to know who did it. I mean, if you were at that show and you saw who did it, or you are the person that did it and you follow my channel, then let me know. I mean, it's cool. I'm gonna put it on the shelf over here, but I didn't win it, so I don't know. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Good little show. Congrats to Jamie, Chad, and David for taking home a trophy. David's trophy was like one of those big ones, like the best in show ones. It was cool. So that's pretty cool. Again, I think you had some insider trading going on, some insider voting going on, but whatever. These shows are just fun. I think the money goes to charity or goes back to the show or something. I don't really know. So it doesn't really matter. It's a fun day. It's a good time getting together with friends. Food was delicious at the Hula Hut in Little Elm, Texas. If you're ever in this area, hit them up. That was amazing. I mean, anyways, that's going to be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. You better get up there. Where is David?
Over here.
I'm gonna buy Michael pants for Christmas.
I have pants.
What color pants do you want?
Blue jean colored.
Blue jean color?
I'm a 30-30.
Blue jean yoga pants.
No.